and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Konkuna. So guys, please subscribe, like, share and comment down below. So as you can see guys, today we are not cooking, we are doing a vlog. So guys, today I decided to do a vlog. So today it's Saturday. I took my kids out. They say they want a quarter, so we are here at Malume Nico's place to have the quarter. So guys, I took them out today to have that quarter and relax. So guys, as you know that this channel is a cooking channel, that means we love to eat. We love food. So today we're going to be eating. So this vlog, it will be all about me showing you my my village lifestyle. Yes, my daily life. So I decided to open this vlog here. I don't want you to see me going up and down without knowing what's going on. So I just came here to open this vlog and greet you guys. I hope you are well. I hope you are all doing well. So guys, please like this video, share this video, and please do not skip the ads, guys. Do not skip the ads, because the ads help us YouTubers to grow, and then that money that YouTube pays us, that money helps us to create more content. So guys, please do not skip those ads. Let the ads play, and then after that you continue watching the video. So I have flu guys, my voice is not 100% well, but I feel much better today. See you inside. Bye for now. Guys, now we are done eating. Yo, the place, it was full. I couldn't even vlog that much. If it was for me, I was going to do a takeaway. Yo, it was full, very full. So, but at least I managed to take some few clips. So it was full. I don't know, maybe it's because it's month end, I don't know. Yeah, but it was full. But I will come will come back again. Again of Malume Nico's quarter is the quarter, so that quarter it was So we also ordered a dessert, yo, and the kids, they were so happy. So now I'm going home. Bye for now guys.
Bye my baby. It's okay.
You know, guys, driving a manual car, yo, driving a manual car, yo, entiro, guys, yo. It's a lot of work, but I'm not complaining. Let's go. Hello guys, and welcome to another day of this vlog. So today is Sunday. I am from church, so I will try to insert a picture to show you my dress. So now I'm going to cook, but before that I'm going to show you what I got from Super Belly. So I already opened it for my Instagram reel, so I'm just going to show you what is inside. So I have ordered using a Senegugu's discount code. I got 20% off. So this is the first item. So this is a cleansing gel. So it's I ordered a skin product. So I want to improve my skin routine. Yes. So this is a cleansing product, item number 1. And then hey, drama. Okay, here it is. So and then let me take it out. And then the third one is this sunscreen. And then the last one is this. I will try to insert the picture here or here. So that's it, guys. So now I'm going to cook just a simple Sunday lunch. So I'm going to change, then go and cook. I'm going to cook outside. So let's go.
I know a place where we can go and be alone. So come away with me, nobody has to know where we gonna go. I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with me, to run away with me. Don't tell your friends, we'll let them know we're safe later on. The road's calling, sun on our skin, sleeping under stars when it's gone. I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with me, to run away with me, to run away with me, to run away with me.
guys, as you can see, I'm busy cooking. I enjoy cooking outside. I enjoyed it so much. Even though it's a it's a bit difficult because I have to go from here to the house to take some stuff, but I tried to bring something closer to me, but it's not easy. It's not easy. You have to travel all the way. But yeah, I'm still busy cooking. I just wanted to show you that I'm busy cooking.
I know a place where we can go and be alone. So come away with me, nobody has to know where we gonna go. I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with me, to run away with me. Don't tell your friends, but let them know we're safe later on. The road's calling, sun on our skin, sleeping under stars when it's gone. I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with me, to run away with me, to run away with me, to run away with me. I know a place where we can go and be alone. So come away with me, nobody has to know where we gonna go. I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with me, to run away with me. Don't tell your friends, but let them know we're safe later on. The road's calling, sun on our skin, sleeping under stars when it's gone. I was just calling to see if you're free to run away